How to make money. Online, the top business ideas. Alright, let's be real. If you're still trying to make money online with the same old dropshipping or affiliate marketing tactics from 5 years ago, you're probably getting crushed. The truth is, a lot of the make money online advice is stale, and it's why so many people spin their wheels and fail. In this video, I'm showing you the advanced strategies and high growth opportunities that are creating real wealth for people right now. So stick around, because the third idea I'm about to share is one that almost nobody is talking about yet. I've spent years deep in the world of online business, and I've seen what actually works versus what's just a massive waste of time and money. My only goal here is to save you that headache and hand you the playbook for what's next. We're not talking about a few bucks on the side. We're talking about building legitimate, profitable online businesses. So let's get into the business ideas that are winning today. The niche e-commerce store. First up is running a niche e-commerce business. Forget trying to be the next Amazon. The winning strategy today is to own a small, passionate niche. While everyone else is in a race to the bottom, selling generic junk, smart entrepreneurs are building brands around dedicated communities. Think sustainable fashion, high-tech home office gear, or even premium pet accessories. Why does this work so well now? Because niche customers are incredibly loyal. They aren't just hunting for the cheapest price. They're looking for products that get them. This allows you to build a powerful brand and charge what you're worth. While dropshipping itself isn't dead, the old model of selling cheap products is. Success now requires a unique brand and a focus on quality. You can get started by, first, finding a niche you actually care about. Second, use a service like Printify or a modern dropshipping supplier to source products without buying inventory up front. Third, launch a clean Shopify store that's hyper-focused on that one specific audience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and success rates for beginners are estimated to be around 10 to 20%. But a focused niche store can become profitable much faster than a general one because your marketing is so dialed in. The digital product architect next. Let's talk about becoming a digital product architect. This is one of my favorite models because the leverage is insane. You create something once, and you can sell it forever with virtually zero overhead. But I'm not just talking about another basic ebook. The real money is in high-value specialized digital tools that solve a very specific problem. The entire creator economy is exploding and is projected to grow from over $250 billion in 2025 to more than $848 billion by 2032. This creates a huge demand for custom solutions. Think advanced templates for Notion or Excel that help professionals crush their workflow, custom presets for photographers, or complete business planning kits for new founders. Here's the game plan. Find a tool you know inside and out, and identify a repetitive task you could simplify with a template. Then, build a polished, high-quality version of that solution. You can list it on beginner-friendly platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. It's not uncommon for top creators to earn thousands a month from a few hit digital products. And by the way, if you're serious about creating digital products, I put together a free guide that walks you through the entire process, from brainstorming to your first sale. You can grab that at the link in the description. AI-powered content consulting. This is the one I mentioned earlier, an opportunity very few have seized. Don't just be another freelance writer, become an AI-powered content consultant. Businesses are desperate for content, but they have no idea how to use AI tools effectively to get what they want. That's your in. You're not just selling articles, you're selling a complete content system powered by AI. This is a massive growth area because you can deliver high-quality content at a scale and price that traditional freelancers can't touch, all while providing the strategic oversight that businesses are starving for. Here's how you start. First, master one or two specific AI content tools. Second, package your services. Think monthly SEO blog package or AI-powered social media automation. Third, find your first clients on LinkedIn or Upwork by showing them exactly how your process saves them time and delivers results. Landing retainer clients starting at $1,000 a month is a realistic goal for consultants in this space. I use a few AI tools to make this happen myself, and I've dropped a link in the description to my favorite one if you want to check it out. The niche subscription community. Finally, let's talk about building a niche subscription community or a paid newsletter. Instead of chasing fleeting views on social media, you create a loyal audience that pays you for your expertise. Platforms like Substack and Patreon have made this easier than ever. The growth here is undeniable, with Substack now having over 5 million paid subscriptions on the platform. The key, once again, is to go niche. Don't launch a generic business newsletter. Start a newsletter for freelance graphic designers or a community for people learning a specific software. Success here comes from building an audience that trusts your voice. Your first steps are simple. Pick a topic you could talk about for days. Sign up for a platform like Substack and start publishing free content to build an initial following. Once you have a small, dedicated group of readers, you can launch a paid tier for your most valuable, exclusive insights. So, that's the breakdown. 4 powerful, high-growth business models that are working right now. We covered niche e-commerce, becoming a digital product architect, AI-powered content consulting, and building a niche subscription community. The playbook is right here, and you don't have to follow outdated advice anymore. The online world is booming, with US e-commerce sales projected to hit nearly $1.8 trillion by 2029. The opportunity is real. Pick one of these ideas, take that first simple step today, and start building something that's yours. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff strategies. And let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try.